of making a simple, comforting meal, plantain porridge. When having a stressful day, you just make this meal. It's quite easy to make and it's tasty too. So let's begin. It's actually my first time making it. So if it comes out amazing, anyway, let's cook. So here are the ingredients we'll be needing. We'll be needing some seasoning, that's salt and assume seasoning. You can use any other seasoning cube you have. Onions sliced, smoked fish, dried fish, crayfish, chopped plantains, and I scraped some of the plantains just so you know. Alright, let's begin. Going with some palm oil. Do you use palm oil or groundnut oil? Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing, so I'm using palm oil. So I'll be using Aston seasoning, but you can use any other seasoning. This is Aston seasoning and salt. So for this plantain, this is what I did. I cut it into small cubes or shapes, and then I scraped some plantains. Try to be thick. That's why you will see some plantain shape is just thick and all. Look at them there, on the spoon, so on and so forth. You can use broth if you have, but me I'll be using fish broth or stock. I don't know what this one's called. I'll be using fish water to enhance the taste and add a bit more water since that one was too little. Can you imagine? I keep now. Next 5 minutes will become better. So I'll be adding crayfish and smoked fish. I want the taste to just be so nice. Since I'm using fish water, I just need everything to be balanced. You get? Don't worry, when you make it, you understand me. So add in a little water and let it simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes. The food is done. This food is done. If you bring veggies, yes, but the food is done. And that's it, my first ever plantain porridge. Honestly, I'm impressed. Came out perfectly. If you try this recipe and yours comes out finer than mine, tag me. But please don't brag too much. Oh. I beg. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.